Are you ready to witness the future of electric luxury? Introducing the new VOYAH Dream, an electric MPV that redefines elegance and innovation. From its aerodynamic silhouette to its bold front grille, VOYAH commands attention. Inside, it's not just comfort, it's intelligence. A smart cockpit, ambient lighting, and zero-gravity seating take you beyond driving into a lifestyle. Powered by next-generation EV technology, the VOYAH Dream delivers both performance and sustainability, with extended range and ultra-silent ride quality. This isn't just a car, it's a new class of luxury built for tomorrow. Whether you're in Shanghai, Dubai, or Berlin, the VOYAH Dream speaks the universal language of excellence. Join the movement. The future is electric. The future is VOYAH.
Follow me.